Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright guys, stay locked in. The fun just got started.
Yeah, put your hands on the floor.
No.
Hey, your one is good though. Can't you swim? You can swim.
The salt gets to your eye.
Oh, I can. I can swim. Okay, you stand where you are standing.
Seawater is not just fucking salt.
Yeah. I can swim from here to your place.
No, let me know this. So we have witness of how you drank water.
Alright guys, stay there. I'll not bring my head out till I reach the side.
Where are you going? Come back here. Let me try. Come back here. I try.
I'm partnering my legs. My legs are not going. I think pool water is more lighter. Yeah. Oh! Oh, wow. I think I have to learn that one. You to try. Sure, you. No. That guy, that's the first time. Yo, my eyes. My eyes are burning.
Salts.
Sir, if you get a gaggle
And the water is not yet.
Yeah.
Still hot. Maybe we can do other things. Later we'll come back fish.
No.
Yo. Hey, Ken. Hey, yo, what? Hey.
Yeah, going backside.
Charlie.
This beach is very amazing. It has or features so many places. Look at this. This is a movie stage where you can sit and watch movie. It features the games like where you can play tennis and other games, mini games. And guys, honestly, we explored to the fullest. We even got ourselves some ice cream to pass time. And I must say, in Qatar during hot seasons like this, the beach is a go-to place. Kindly let me know how many pull-ups can you do in the comment section. Let me know. Be honest, don't lie. Honestly, I can do 10. That's if I'm motivated. But if I'm not motivated, I think I can do 5. Alright, so guys, fast forward, it was time to say goodbye. After a couple of pull-ups, we had to go get dressed and say goodbye. Look at the view. Guys, look at the view. Look at the skyscrapers. This is Qatar. This is Doha. Kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. We'll be coming your way with videos each and every week.